Seedlings for the garden.
So that's why it's really rice. Just same
Each one, yeah. Look at that rain. My God. It's like someone opened the stop and backed up. And then, COVID-19 chiyambi cholinga chamao amenewa ndi kufuna kutandiza boma la Zimbabwe ndi ena mabunguwe mvura naya tite rain harvesting because that's the eco solution. So recently we discovered that we've got like a not Wi-Fi, I would say like a 3G network that's about 800 meters from where we live. So this is me just walking from where the 3G spot is to our house. Not very far.
It's gonna go into it. So what's that? You're putting in the marigold bush.
Yeah, this is a tea garden, so I want to be able to make some like herbal teas and stuff. So
Where are you taking that log?
to make one of the borders on the garden, because I want to plant things inside.
So you're gonna chop it up? Like which one?
Go one here with marigolds.
There's a marigold.
Wood of snakes.
Where did you find that one?
Behind the one I had to push. Wish I'd known earlier. I just carried two of these small.
Can you still plant in that one?
Yep. One brick maybe.
There's one over there.
So making some scrambled eggs. We've got sausage, grilled tomato, green peppers, some bacon. The method of scrambled eggs is a knob of butter, eggs, low heat, and just keep stirring until the level of firmness that you want in your eggs. Season only at the end. This is rural life. So so excited. So I've lost my ring finger.
You lost your what?
Ring finger.
It's
My
called the ring finger.
finger ring. The ring.
Your wedding
My
band.
wedding band. My ring
Did
finger.
you just call it your ring finger?
I don't know. I don't know what it's called. What is it called?
It's called your wedding band.
My wedding band. Okay. So I lost it somewhere when I was doing the gardening. So I've been looking through the footage to try and see where I still had the ring on. Yeah, so now I have to go back and look because I think I might have buried it somewhere when I was working. Oh, sorry, it's called a wedding band. No, I keep saying this is my ring finger. Which one is the ring finger? Because I switched my ring around. Like I put it on different fingers now because
Why?
when I lost weight. My wife is saying why when she knows that the ring doesn't even fit. It falls
Because
off
I
my
can't believe
it
you're
falls off my
calling it
wedding
a
band.
ring finger.
No, I'm saying, do you not know why I move it around different
No,
fingers?
the reason I'm asking you this question because I can't believe you called it a ring finger.
Okay, it's a ring finger. My finger ring. My finger ring. It sounds so bad. My wedding band.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay, so I have to go find it.
So I'm retracing the steps that Carl took. I was looking at the video footage and I think I know where he dropped his ring because I think I saw it in the video when he was rolling the log. Hopefully I'm correct. I'm trying to turn this so okay. So he was rolling the log here and I think I said yes. Trust his wife to be the one to find his ring. Yay! It was when he was rolling that big log. See? When he was rolling the big log. Oh, the joys of footage. I found it. Happy days, happy days, happy days. So let me walk into the house and give Mr. Ncube his bondage ring. Okay, it's not a bondage ring. He might not find that funny. His finger ring, as he puts it. Huh? See, they definitely should send women to be investigators. Men, not so good. Mr. Ncube, guess what?
How did you find it?
I found it on the video.
No, but where exactly?
Huh? When you were rolling, I saw it fall off.
You see, so this doesn't fit.
There we
It
go.
doesn't fit here, it doesn't fit here, because I've lost so much weight. So let me just put it, which finger? I'll put it here, safer.
And you say?
Thank you very much, Mrs. Ncube,
You're very welcome.
for using your forensics.
I told you always need to send a woman.
Our lives are on video. That's how we can figure out stuff. Like we don't even argue. We're like, check the video.
Check the video. Okay. Bye, guys.
Usekaya wena, usekaya wena.
Carl,
Hey, guys. Nelsie.
welcome to Tourism Makaya, our YouTube channel. We are sharing with you everything to do with our rural. What do you call it? Rural transition. We moved to the rural areas, basically. And we're going to be sharing videos with you. We share every Monday. We upload every
Yeah.
Monday, new videos. Unless
Except
I'm feeling...
last week where you're feeling like...
Yeah, sometimes I feel generous. And then I upload more content. But every Monday, we upload videos onto this channel. So please make sure you click the subscribe button
Is the subscribe button here?
somewhere. I don't know where it is.
I know, it's just like one of these things.
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
click the notification bell
Notification
so that
bell, yeah.
you get told every time.
And
we have a
share
new
the link.
Yeah, please share. And yeah, just share with your friends so that we get more subscribers so we can monetize this channel. Because money is important for rural development, guys.
Yeah.
Very important. We wanna want to do change through plays. So like the more you guys
change
like
plays,
yeah, so if you guys watch more videos, then we can do more stuff, right? Because YouTube pays the more you watch, so the more you tell your friends. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video.
Thank you for watching, and thank you for be nice.
Yeah, be nice in the comments.
I'm
not saying that you're not nice in the comments.
Thing, like, we're not experts, so
yeah, we're not experts.
We're also kind
just
of fumbling our
figuring
way,
this stuff
figuring
around. So a lot of it is like compromises. It's not like we know what we're doing.
Yeah. No, we don't.
Yeah, so thank you so much for watching our video.
Thank you.
My name's Carl.
My name is Nelsie.
Bye.
Subscribe. I don't even know I'm pointing at the right place.
Yeah, I don't know. It could be here.
Like,
okay, just follow the fingers.
Somewhere here.
I don't think you can see my finger. So maybe there.
No, it won't be on the top.
Or there.
Like,
or
that's
there.
the little bell in the on the corner.
Yeah, sorry, there isn't another video coming up. Sorry, did we just waste 2 minutes of people's time?
Okay.
That's 2 minutes of data. Bye.
Carl Joshua Eshe Nelson bathi wozekhaya wozanekaya Carl Joshua Eshe Nelson bathi wozekhaya wozanekaya